Hi guys, my name is Jo from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to give you my Panaracer Smoke Dart review. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restorations, and you're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. If you're looking for true skin wall 26-inch trail tires, the Panaracer Smoke Dart combination is one of the very few solutions out there. Panaracer always makes very nice tires. I bought a bunch of them, and these Smoke Dart are very obvious for any retro build. The Smoke with its horizontal knobs goes in the back for both traction and braking power, and the Dart is only meant for the front with its elongated knobbies to cut deep into the soil and provide you with the grip you're looking for. It really is a classic tire because compared to other trail tires, the 2.1-inch width is more cross-country territory than trail. Well, back in the 90s, 2.1-inch was considered wide, and the Super V's rear swing arm won't even hold bigger tires anyway. So what exactly can you expect from 26-inch times 2.1-inch tires? Well, you can expect enough grip in loose and dry conditions. The aggressive tread pattern makes sure of that. And this is not a tire, however, for muddy conditions or sandy conditions. They clog up pretty quickly and are too thin to get you through the sand easy enough. If you don't mind the fact whether or not you ride skin walls, I would pick a wider tire if your frame and rims holds them. Though not a true skin wall tire, the 2.3-inch Swalby Knobby Nick provides more grip while cornering. That being said, the fact that these tires are a reissue from the 90s means you really get the feel that belongs to a mountain bike from that era. They are a solid ride in dry conditions and will get you across the average trail. They cost me 70 euros for the pair, which is about average for a premium tire, and 602 grams isn't much for a trail tire. And after all the riding I've been doing with them this past year, they seem to hold up great as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to consider joining the Facebook group, and I hope I can welcome you again for the next video as well. Bye for now.